Okay, good morning, everybody. So today I will talk to you about a new environment that we have right now in Intelligence. We use it to deploy the different environment for a training purpose. Right now, what you can do, what you can see right now, we have many environments here, training environment. Right now, for instance, this training environment have 50 virtual machine, this other one have 5 virtual machine, and this one, for instance. So the purpose of this video today is to show you how this one works. Okay. So for instance, we have this node. This is our compute node, where we're supposed to deploy the different virtual machine now. And after deployment, the users can be the user will get a link, and after getting the link, let me just show you. Let me go back here. The user will first, for instance, get this link, and from the link, it will be able he will be able to go there, this link, and connect to the logging information that the instructor will send to him right now. Look, it's a very interesting project. I hope that we will be able to appreciate it. And if you are interested by this kind of environment, just let us know. Okay, so here is the password, for instance. Just for video. After the video, we did this environment, and yeah. As you can see right now, these participants have only access to those environments. Okay, so if you click on it, you can restore his different virtual machine, and you'll be able to work on it. You can copy and paste if you would like. Copy and paste some information. Let me just show you. You can copy and paste if you would like to. For this one, I can launch tf -h. I can launch a remote command out to this. Yeah, if I would like to. Okay, it's very interesting code. I don't know if you know guacamole. It is a research tool that you use to combine to our environment to be able to reach this this level of deployment. So, but let me show you an example of deployment. Let's say I would like to deploy a new training there. Let's say training openshift, or let's say yeah, openshift. Yeah, it's up to the trainer. Shift for instance, we have, let's say that we have one participant who would like let's two participants. Okay, and I would like to deploy, because we can have many compute nodes. Here I have right now, I have 2 compute nodes in the environment, or I would like to deploy both VMs on this first compute node, and I have to choose the templates, which template I would like to use to deploy my environment. Very easy. Let's say I take this one, very so move to a template. Yeah, once done that, I can check. Let me see. Yeah, networks that I would like to be. I would like to be able to create on a remote compute node. And after done that, I would like to deploy or install some packages, it's possible for me to do that. But let me move forward. So this environment is great. And let me show you the logs of this deployment, because we have to let me show you the logs of these deployments. Okay, increase it. Just for you to be able to see this ongoing deployment. Okay, so right now we have this one. I will click on the deploy of the environment. Once done that, we have 4 VMs that should be able to be deployed on this target compute node, and each participant will have two VMs. So let's go back here. As you can see, the progress of the deployment. So for this first versions of the environment, we deploy VMs sequentially. Just it means that one VM is deployed and this VM is completely set up and fully operational. This secondary VM is also deployed. On the next versions, we can do this in the same ways. Okay, at the same moment, all VMs will be deployed. But for the moment, we just do it VMs after VMs. Okay. So as you can see, all those information are being set up to the node, to the VMs, the networks, and each node, each VM we have this its IP. Let's say, for instance, I will go to this first compute node. Okay. Let's see, I can ping it. So, yeah. If I save this list, you can see that the last, this one is ready. This first VM is ready, is going to be ready. So here, yeah, the password to access to this node will be also set up. Okay. We are on the second VM. Yeah, it is the second VM right now. So let's go back here to show you. Yeah, normally we have only one VM here. If I refresh it, we should have 2. Yeah, we have to see 1 and 2 right now. So if the first participants of this training will have those 2 VMs. Okay, and at the end of this deployment, or we have a summary of the IP addresses of each participant and the link to have access to their environment and the credentials. It's a very interesting platform, and if you are interested by this kind of environment also to deploy in your servers for your own purpose, or if you'd like to improve by adding new functionalities and so on, you feel free to ask or send us to have an email to info, let's say info@ecintelligence.me. Okay, it will be very interesting there. Please to receive your question or your email and reply to you. So let's see. The first one's okay. So yeah, for the first part, for the second participant, the deployment of the of the first VM is ongoing. Okay. For the moment, much more improvement will be later, but for the moment, it's a sequential deployment, VM after the VM, and later we'll improve it. Don't worry about that. And we are doing it for virtual meeting. We will be able also to do the same things for the container and so on. It will be an amazing platform. It's up to you if you feel that it will be something interesting for you. Depending on your questions or your requirement for improvement and so on, you will be able to improve it definitively. So feel free to send us some email if you would like to have some demo. We can do this demo for you, and yeah, and after this one we can see ask what you would like to be able to improve. Okay, the last VM here is ongoing. So we can deploy CentOS virtual machine, Red Hat virtual machine. We can also deploy you can also deploy a Windows machine. We can deploy Ubuntu desktop and virtual machine. So all kind of template can be integrated in this platform. So don't worry if you just say tell us which kind of improvement you would like to do, you would like to have in your environment, or you will be able to implement it if this kind of environmental is something like you would like to have. Okay, so as you can see, the summary is given here in the log. Let's say I would like to connect with the participant one, the first participant. Okay, so I will just have this the same link for every person. So, same link. This one. Let's go here. No, let me just disconnect from this one. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm disconnected, and yeah, take this. Where are your login? Yeah, login is here. Okay, and participants for this environment and the first participant. Okay, so you see that this one will see. Voila, yeah, you will be able to see only its VMs. Okay, and not others. As you can see, first participant VM1, VM2. Okay. Let's disconnect again, and I will go to the second environment, participant 2, and the second one have access to only, yeah, definitely I can go connected. Okay, you can do whatever you have to do in this environment, and yeah, this is something very interesting platforms, and I hope that you will appreciate this POC, and yeah, if you'd like to have some dedicated presentation, feel free to ask to us, and we'll be able to feedback you. Thank you very much again, and take care, and bye.